So what you can also do in Qwen is go ahead and generate out HTML contents and also HTML animations if you want to be specific. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say, make an animation using HTML of a bouncing ball inside of a sphere right here, just like this. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, then it actually goes ahead and types in a code based on it. So you can see that it goes ahead and says bouncing ball inside a sphere and starts generating out the content right here. So it has completed the head part, and you can see that it starts writing the script for the animation, as you can see right here. So you just need to go ahead and wait for a while for the code to be completed. Then you can simply go ahead and save this out as an HTML file and then simply run the animation. So let's wait for the code, and now you can see that the code is complete. So now what you can simply do is go ahead and copy out this code and go to an application like Notepad and paste out the code right here. Then you can go around on the file and go to save as, let's say for example, and over here in desktop, let's say for example, I can go ahead and say bouncing ball .html right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that, then what happens is that the HTML file is saved over here on the desktop. So if I were to actually go around, you can see the desktop file bouncing ball. So if I were to go ahead and open it, you can now see the bouncing ball inside of the sphere right here, just like this. And this is how you can actually go ahead and create HTML-based animations using Qwen as well, easily without having to type a code. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.